You want to know one of the most powerful tools in an interview? Silence. Not awkward silence, intentional silence. It's called the silence gap. It's that one moment right after your guest finishes talking, making a point, or suggesting something, and you sense that there's more of a story there. And you don't jump in. You wait. You wait for them to continue. Let the air get a little bit uncomfortable. And you know what happens? They'll start talking again to fill the silence gap. And that's when the truth comes out. That's when they go deeper. They get raw, unscripted. The human emotion comes on. Now, most hosts are afraid of silence. They rush on to the next question like it's a race. They jump in to fill it. Guess what? Guests are uncomfortable with it too. And the first one to fill the silence gap is going to reveal more. When you hold the space on purpose, it signals to your guests that you're listening and you want them to continue, that you want more. So if you want better answers, say less, wait more, and don't worry about the silence. You can clean that up later when you edit. I teach you exactly how to master the silence gap and when to use it for maximum impact. It's a secret weapon for unforgettable interviews. Secrets, the tips, how to do it are in mic drop moments.